This is an easy way to prepare the chicken, marinating in lemon and garlic. If you want to know more, stay here. For the marinade we will need salt, garlic, pepper, the juice and the peel of a lemon, and parsley. I'm mixing black pepper with cayenne pepper, but there is no any problem if you use only one. I'm using two because I like the flavor of both. The parsley is optional too, and if you have fresh, it's better. In total, I'm using a teaspoon of parsley. You need to mix the spices for later add the lemon juice. If you use a knife or to peel the lemon, be careful with the white part because it's bitter. We must squeeze the lemon and don't forget to remove the seeds. Now we need to add 2.5 garlic or 3 or 4, is depending your taste, and olive oil, and using 2 spoons. If you are going to use a part of chicken that have more fat, like the thighs, you can use less oil. In my case, I will use the breast. We add the mixture to the chicken. We let it rest for at least 1 hour, and if you have more time, all night. Mine was resting like 4 hours because I prepared in the morning and later I cooked in the lunch. If you are liking this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes. Was in the oven for 35 minutes at 180 degrees. This chicken is easy, fast and juicy. You need to try. If you prepare it, let me know in the comments how it was for you.